everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial I created this halo eye using the new Anastasia Norvina palette, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. The first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer and I just used that to prime my eyelid. And then I went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I set it with some translucent powder. And the first eyeshadow that I went in with was the shade Dreamer. And I just applied that all over my brow bone. In the crease, I took this matte pink shade called Love. And I just took a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade. Next, I took the shade Eccentric. And I took a more defined angled brush and I just put that shade in my crease. So I drew a line above my actual crease, and as you can see I just go in back and forth motion so it's not too harsh. And then I went back in with the shade Love just to really buff it out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. I decided that I wanted to add a lot more depth in the crease, so I took the shade Passion and I took a defined angled brush once again and I just drew a line directly over where we drew the previous line. And I just started to layer up the eyeshadows, and as you can see I'm going in back and forth motions once again. And then I go back into the Eccentric shade and Love mixed together and I just put that in my crease. And then I went back in with that Too Faced concealer and I just cleaned up my eyelid. And then I set that with some translucent powder, and then I went in with the shade Incense. And I just put that on the inner and outer corners to start to create the halo effect. And then I went back into that concealer and I just applied it on the center part of my eyelid. I did go in with Passion on the inner and outer corner, but the file got deleted somehow. And then I went back into the shade Dreamer and I just packed that on the center of my lid. And as you can see, I'm doing really light tapping motions just to make sure that the more I go towards the inner and outer portion of the lid, it's less product being applied. So that's how you're going to get a blended look. And then you could also go back in with the deeper shade once again, as you see me doing here, just to make sure that there aren't any spots that aren't blended. And then I went in with my NYX glitter primer and my Violet Voss Memories glitter, which I believe was limited edition, but you can just use any silver glitter in your collection. And I just applied that to the very center part of my lid. And for lashes, I used these Sofie Bella lashes that are unreleased. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I grabbed the shade Volatile and I just focused that on the outer part of my lower lash line. And then lastly, I went in with some lower lash mascara. So this is the finished eye look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn your post notifications on if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.